So you can see here how it's dirty and stained and got marks all over it. There we go, it looks much better, doesn't it? Here's the other side that I've only half done. So I've done the headlight part, I just haven't done around the blinker side, and you can see the difference. How you going, guys? Welcome back to Flatbreak Adventures. Today I'm going to clean the headlights of the car. You know how they all go crazed and yellow and stuff. So what I'm using, some Turtle Wax headlight cleaner, cordless drill with like a $2 wall buffing pad from Supercheap Auto, and yeah, that's it. Let's see how we go. So you can see here how it's dirty and stained and got marks all over it. Let's give it a polish up and see how we go, eh? Just got a damp rag. Leave the lights clean. Make sure there's no dust and stuff on them. There we go, it looks much better, doesn't it? You still see a bit over in here. There is some crazing left. I don't know if you can see on the camera. Still is a tad yellow, but nothing like it was. Here's the other side that I've only half done. So I've done the headlight part, I just haven't done around the blinker side, and you can see the difference. So a success, yes, definitely. These things are definitely worth the $2. I'll be going to buy some more, and yeah, I've got another car I've got to do yet, so I'll buy another one for that. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just goes to show the budget-minded and more light wallet brigade amongst us that you don't need to spend a lot of money and get new headlights and things like that. You can just do a few things yourself. This was less than $20 and I got the headlights up good as new. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. And just remember, guys, have a go. Just get out there and do it and enjoy yourself. Anyway, catch us next time. Bye.